Hello friends, I am back. Class 5, subject EVS, chapter 7, chapter name Our Forest and People. Topic the Adivasis. In last videos, we talked about the forest and the living things that are living in the forest. Now today we are going to talk about the people, human beings that are living in that forest. So these type of peoples are known as the Adivasis. The Adivasis are considered to be indigenous or the original settlers of India. The Adivasis are the people, are the human beings that live in the forest, and they think that the forest is the home of those people. Normally it is a very common thinking and activity of a person. If that person is living in a particular home, that is doing the care of their home and doing everything that is possible to make it safe. Same as the Adivasis are also the original settlers of India, because these peoples are living in the Indian forest and taking care of that forest as they are doing their home. Since they are getting everything that is the requirement of those people, they are getting from the forest. That's why they are also taking the care of it. Some of them no longer have a close relationship with the forest. They are now urban settlers. Normally the many peoples are living in the forest, they are Adivasis. But few of the Adivasis are leave the forest and they are now settled in the urban areas. They leave the forest and they are now living in the villages or the cities. They don't get the more attachment to the forest. They think that they can be more developed, they can get more facilities, their life can be more improvable. That's why they leave their changing place and now they are now living in the urban areas. Many states in India have their own tribal population. In India, the maximum states has their own population. They have their own tribal people. They have their own Adivasis people. In the maximum states, some forests are present, and that particular forest few people are living. So those people are their tribal population. The main Adivasi groups of India belong to the following states. Normally in each and every state the Adivasis people can be found. But according to the government system, there are the main few states in which we can easily find the tribal peoples. These states are Gujarat, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are the states in which the Indian Adivasis people are present. Whenever if anybody want to get about the knowledge of those tribal peoples, they can move to these states and go for meet them. But always remember that the always Adivasis people have their own separate life. Normally they doesn't want to meet the other people. So always a mediator is compulsory that can make communication between these peoples. So normally the Adivasis has their own language. They can't understand the language of us, and even we also can't understand the language of them. So mediator is compulsory. So these are the states where you can find out the Adivasis people. So the today's homework is learn and write about the Adivasis in your EVS activity copy. You have to read this one, think about the more about the life of those people and try to write about it. Thank you.